Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make the 3D graph in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Then you want to make 3D graph. At first, go to the home menu. Select the new slide drop down menu and create a blank slide. Then go to the insert menu and choose the chart option. We can see here many chart or graph. Now I am select the column chart and select the 3D column. Then click OK. Then wait some moment to inserting the chart. Now we can see the chart is already 3D. Now we want to make more than 3D. Select the chart design menu. Select this drop down menu and choose the 3D option. You can change the color. Select the change color option and change the color. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.